Sorry for the interruption due to network issue. I could not do it as that earlier one. Just I continue. Here's an defects. I told about already the defect. What is meant by defect? It is an any deviation or the departure from the perfectly ordered arrangement of constituent particles. So I told you. So now I come to directly that one. Classification of defects are imperfections. There are two defects are point defects and line defect. If the defects that takes place in point is called one point defect. If the defects in the line is called the line defect. Then again we go for that one. Another one defects is that the point defects are classified into the two way. That's about the three ways: stoichiometric defect, impurity defect, and non-stoichiometric defect. I repeat: stoichiometric defect, impurity defect, and non-stoichiometric defect. So again in the stoichiometry, the word stoichiometry makes the thing that one how it is. If you are well known, it's good. But some of the students who are learned that one the word first term the stoichiometry they get difficult in this one. So the stoichiometry, don't worry about that one. The branch of the chemistry which studies about the structure of the atoms and other things of the particle or the substance or the element is called stoichiometry. So here is about stoichiometric defect. The stoichiometry of solid remain undisturbed. That is a structure and other the arrangement of the atoms, that's the density, other things remain undisturbed. Such point defect is called as what? Stoichiometric defect. So here in stoichiometric defect, you can observe here there are the two defects are there: point defect and interstitial defect. So we come to that one, the each one very clearly. So then observe here, and in the vacancy defect, types of the stoichiometric: vacancy defect, interstitial defect, and Frankel defect, Schottky defect. There are four stoichiometric defect are there: vacancy, interstitial, Frankel, and Schottky. So examination point of view, will note the Frankel and Schottky is very important. Just imagine these type of solids are present, how the arrangement of the atoms are different. By outwardness they show only the same type of the things, but inward that's the inner things are different. The different arrangements will be there. So here's about the stoichiometric defect, and then the four types of stoichiometric: vacancy defect, interstitial defect, Frankel defect, and Schottky defect. Then we come to that one. Another one is here: Frankel defect and Schottky defect. You have to learn that the very clear picture about this one. Dear students, take the pen or pencil, note down the points, how that one it is. If the points are to be noted, it is very easy for you people. So observe that one, Frankel defect, very close to this one. Observe this one. Here's an arrangement of atoms are there. I have taken that two particles are there. One is an A, G plus and Br minus. And here is an Ag is missed. And then Br is there. Again, the Br, Ag and Br and Ag. Again, Ag, Br and Ag, Br. So the dislocated that ion Ag comes to the position of that what interstitial site. So this defect is called dislocation defect also. It does not move from the structure and it just occupies the space of the interstitial site. So in between the interstitial site is there, it occupies. So this defect is also called as what? Dislocation defect. Just I want to tell you that again about this one, Frankel defect. What is a Frankel defect? So just to go for the different points in the Frankel defect. The first one, in this defect the smaller ion leaves its lattice sites. The smaller ion leaves its site and then occupies that interstitial state and enters the interstitial. That's the first point. Then another one is, then should be very careful that one. The another point is there. What is that one? This is also called as dislocation defect. It is also called as a dislocation defect. And then you should know that one, in this Frankel defect the density do not affected. Density do not affect. So it is not to be affected. Density not to be affected. Particle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so it does not affect on the density. So then ionic substances which are ionic sizes which different appearances. So these are about the what defect? Frankel defect. Again examples: zinc sulfide AgCl, AgBr and AgI. So example only 2 marks in examination you are maybe asked to write what is Frankel defect. So the Frankel defect, it is a defect which takes place in solids, that's about where that the smaller cationic particles are displaced from their position to the interstitial site. So that's called Frankel defect. 2 mark questions. And example, you should remember that one.